I'm Tricia Letrero.
I'm Juan Alvarado.
And welcome to Belmont Cragen. What attracted us most to this space was the yard, because I love to garden. And in this space behind us, it was literally just rocks and pebbles and weeds.
Lots of weeds.
Lots of weeds. Last year, we decided to do something different with this space. We had all the furniture already, so it was basically just buying the pots and the flowers and all the wall decor to hang up on the brick wall. I just picked whatever I liked at the moment. It was probably on sale, so it was a hit and miss. I wasn't too sure what kind of light I was going to get, but I noticed that they all did really well with each other. So it's just a matter of upkeep, watering, but because it has a lot of shade, it really wasn't that much high maintenance.
Yeah.
Usually what I like to do is in the morning, grab a cup of coffee, listen to some music back here, trying to get the day started. A lot of the inspiration comes from my mother. She was an avid gardener growing up, and back then I used to have to water her plants for 2 hours every day in the summer, and I said, I will never do this again. But
here we are.
Yeah, here we are. I'm just like I am my mother's daughter. I am an avid gardener too.